Hey everyone, so as you can see, it's a nice beautiful sunny day out today. Got the grill going and decided to make a video. So today's video is going to be medicated 2-bite brownies. And by medicated I mean I am adding CBD oil to the brownie batter and then cooking them up just like regular brownies. Hope you enjoy. Okay, my 2-bite brownies, here we go. So, 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of sugar, and 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. Sift that all into a bowl. Once sifted, set aside. Next, we are going to crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Excuse me for one second, there we go. Just like so. Okay, to the eggs, I've already added some CBD oil, and to that, we're going to slowly drizzle in about 1 cup of butter, salted butter, please. Now you just want this melted. You don't want it bubbling or anything like that, because obviously you do not want to make scrambled eggs with a butter sauce. Keep whisking until it's all in like so. Now I do have the oven warming up to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take our dry ingredients and then start working in. Actually, just pour it all in. Change the hardware, scrape it all out, and mix. Try not to make a mess. Now I have doubled this recipe. I will have the original recipe in the description below. Okay, so once it's all mixed together, you should have that consistency. I apologize for all the light. It's that time of day. Now instead of putting this into a 9x9 tin, since I'm portioning these out, I'm using the muffin tin, which I've sprayed with cooking spray. I'm going to use my trusty scoop. And start scooping. Like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the back side of a spoon that I sprayed with cooking spray, and I'm just going to pat these down a bit. Next, put them in the preheated 350 degree oven for 15-20 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and then we'll see you on the flip side. Okay. So I'm about to take out the brownies. Here we go. My 2-bite brownies. Now let these sit here for a few minutes and then flip them onto a wire rack. Like so. Let them cool completely and enjoy. Please like and subscribe and keep up to date. Check out UnkleTeddybearCooks.com. That's Uncle with a K, TeddybearCooks.com, as I'll be adding more and more items to my site, including shortcuts to all these videos. Thank you for your support. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next one.